Hey everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of cheerleading accessories with a review of what's touted as the best silver cheer bow on the market, the Oaoleer glitter hair bows. Whether you're a cheerleader, a sports enthusiast, or just someone who loves a bit of sparkle, this might just be the perfect accessory for you. Let's unpack what makes these bows stand out. These Oaoleer glitter hair bows come in a pack of 12, each measuring a substantial 7 inches across. They're crafted from high-quality grosgrain ribbon, ensuring durability and a vibrant shine that catches the eye. Perfect for adding that extra flair to any cheerleading outfit or even just for everyday wear. Now, let's talk about what sets these bows apart. First off, the elastic ponytail holder makes them easy and comfortable to wear. They're designed to stay securely in place, which is crucial for those high-energy routines or long days of wear. The grosgrain ribbon used here is not only beautiful but also sturdy. It ensures that these bows maintain their shape and sparkle even after repeated use. They're also designed to be suitable for all hair types, whether you have thick or thin hair. While we're focusing on the silver variant today, it's worth noting that these bows come in a variety of colors to match different team uniforms or personal preferences. Whether you prefer classic silver, vibrant red, or bold blue, there's something for everyone. Now, let's talk about how these bows perform in real life. Many users appreciate how these bows not only look great but also hold up well over time. They're versatile enough for daily wear or special occasions, making them a favorite among cheerleaders and sports enthusiasts alike. As with any product, there are a few things to consider. While these bows are generally well loved for their quality and appearance, some users may find them slightly larger than expected. However, this size also ensures they make a bold statement when worn. Overall, the Oaoleer glitter hair bows are a fantastic choice if you're looking to add some sparkle and style to your wardrobe. They're well made, come in a variety of colors, and are designed to complement any cheerleading or sports outfit effortlessly. If you're interested in getting your hands on these stunning cheer bows, I've included a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and product insights here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay stylish.